Welcome to this episode of our family Hawaiian trip, summer of 2024. We're flying from Kentucky to Honolulu, Hawaii. It takes over 12 hours of flying time. An hour before we landed in Honolulu, we are required to complete an animal and plant decoration. We've flown out of Kentucky at 8 a.m. and landed in Honolulu, Hawaii at 5 p.m. and Honolulu is 6 hours ahead. We're headed over to baggage claim, and essentially all the shops has been shut down for the day. This trip is a special occasion for our daughter who recently graduated from college, and so we decided to rent the limo for the pickup from the airport to our hotel. We will be staying at the Prince Waikiki Hotel. Here we are arriving at the hotel, and here's a quick photo of us three. I'm the short one. Here's a quick overview of the lobby. To the left is the Honolulu coffee shop, and to the right is a little small specialty shops. And the elevator is to the left of the coffee shop. This is the view inside the elevator looking out. We will be staying here on the 29th floor out of 33 floor. Here's a quick overview of the hotel room that we're staying in. It has all the basics, including a bathtub, which we did not use, but we chose to put our dirty towels in the tub. The door on the left is for the shower, and the door on the right is the toilet. And this is a Japanese-owned hotel, so the toilet is set up to their style versus the American basic toilet. I'm not sure what happened here with my color, but somehow my color is off, so just disregard the coloration of this clip. To the right of the bathroom is the closet, where it comes with 2 robes and 2 slippers. For some reason, I cannot find the clip to the closet. Here's the view from our room. This is an upgraded room from the standard. And as you can see, there are tons of sailboats out there. It has been said that there are over 100 sailboats out there. So as a result, the restaurant inside this hotel is called 100 Sails. Here's another look from the upper section of the window. And I typically do my room review on the day of check-in. For this trip, the review is on the last day of our trip. We stay here for approximately a week. We fully enjoy staying in this hotel. Everything is nice and clean. The room gets cleaned on a daily basis. Here's a quick review of what comes with the room. As you can see, there's the standard refrigerator. And here's the station for the ice bucket. Right underneath the ice bucket is the safe. We actually use the safe during our stay. As you can see, there are no instructions inside this safe. We were told that there were instructions in there. As a result, there is a combination code. And so if you don't have the instructions in there, you may want to call the front desk to ask for assistance. Because we were using the safe without the combination code, when we try to open it, it won't open, and after 3 attempts, it will prevent you from trying. So we end up calling the front desk, in which they sent up security, and the security guy came up fairly quick. Within 5 minutes, he is here, so he was able to get the safe open for us. Here's a little decor over the seating area, and it comes with 2 chairs. Here's a chair in the seating area, and here's another chair in this section of the seating area too, for coffee and tea, a little breakfast. And here's the decor for the room. And this room comes with 2 queen size beds. We really enjoy the room, the view, all the amenities that the room has. Unfortunately, it doesn't have a whole lot of drawers for our clothing, but we pretty much keep our clothing in our luggage. So for those of you who is considering vacationing in Honolulu, Hawaii, perhaps you will give Prince Waikiki Hotel a consideration. We truly enjoy our stay. The folks at the front desk was very polite, very helpful. Overall, I will give this hotel room a 4.8 out of 5 stars. I wish they have a little bit more room for our clothing storage, that we won't have to live out of suitcase. But other than that, everything else we were very pleased with.